Hello. Today I teach you the first component part of the sentence, that is subject. The subject and enlargement of the subject. It is my topic today. First, subject. Which things can be subject in a sentence? Look at this. Number first, a noun can be a subject in the sentence. For example, the cow eats grass. In this sentence, the cow is a subject. It is noun. Second, a pronoun can be also subject. He brought a good news. He is a subject and he is pronoun. Number third, an adjective used as a noun. An adjective used as a noun. It can be also a subject. Look at this sentence. The righteous shall prosper. The righteous is subject, shall prosper is predicate. The righteous means the righteous persons, the righteous people. Here people is not mentioned, only adjective word is used, but it is used as a noun. When an adjective is used as a noun, it can be a subject also. Number 4, a gerund or verbal noun. Gerund is ing form of the verb. Gerund is ing form of the verb. Ing form of the verb is also a participle, present participle. But present participle is used as a verb, whereas when ing form of the verb is used as a noun, we call it gerund or verbal noun. Walking is good exercise. Here walking is subject, it is gerund, it is used as a noun, the subject of the sentence. Is walking is good exercise, is predicate. Number 5, an infinitive can be also a subject. To read is a good activity. To read is a good activity. To read is a subject, it is infinitive. When we place to before base form of the verb, before present form of the verb, it is infinitive. To read, to go, to play, to sit, these are infinitives. When they are used as a subject in the sentence, they can be subject in the sentence. To read is a good activity, is a predicate. A phrase, how to achieve a goal. How to achieve a goal is a subject. Is it difficult? Is predicate. How to achieve goal? It is a phrase. A group of words is phrase. The phrase can be a subject. Phrase, clause, we will discuss these terms later. A quotation, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race is an old saying. Slow and steady wins the race. It is quotation, and here it is used as a subject. Is an old saying, it is a predicate. Though so, a quotation can also be subject. These are the 7 things which can be subject in the sentence. Which are these things? A noun can be subject, a pronoun can be subject, an adjective used as a noun can be subject, a gerund or verbal noun can be subject, an infinitive can be subject, a phrase can be subject, a quotation can be subject of the sentence. Subject is the first component part of the sentence. These are 7 things which can be subject in a sentence. Now we learn enlargement of the subject. How is the subject enlarged? In the second part, we discuss it. First, an adjective. A wise man is successful. A wise man is a subject. When there are more than one words as a subject in the sentence, in these groups, one word will be main subject. Man is main subject. Man is successful. Which man? A wise man. Wise is adjective, so it is enlargement. Number second, a participle can be enlargement. Drinking water is scarce here. Drinking water is a subject, but subject word is water. Main word is water. Main subject is water. Subject word is water. Water is scarce here, but drinking water. Drinking is participle. These two words are subject in this sentence. Gerundial infinitive. Gerundial infinitive. Vegetables to eat are not available here. Vegetables to eat is a subject, but the subject word is vegetables. Vegetables are not unavailable here. To eat is enlargement of the subject. So, vegetables to eat is subject, and the subject word is vegetables. A noun or pronoun in opposition. Ahmad, the student of class 10, won a prize. Ahmad, the student of class 10, it is a subject, but the subject word is Ahmad. Ahmad won a prize. Which Ahmad won a prize? Ahmad, the student of class 10, not the student of class 9, not the student of class 8, not the student of any other class, but the student of class 10. Ahmad, who is a student of class 10, won a prize. The student of class 10 is a noun in opposition. A noun or pronoun in opposition. He himself was present there. He is a subject word. He himself, it is a subject, but subject word is he. He was present there. Himself is enlargement of this word, and it is pronoun. A noun in the possessive case. Ali's mobile has been stolen. Ali's, it is possessive. Ali is in possessive case because he is a possessor of the mobile. Noun in possessive case can be enlargement. A possessive adjective. His house is in this locality. A possessive adjective. House is in this locality. Main subject word is house, and his is enlargement of the subject. So the both words are subject in this sentence. A noun or gerund, use an adjective. A village schoolmaster taught him. A noun or gerund, use an adjective. A village schoolmaster taught him. Schoolmaster is subject word. A village is enlargement of the subject. Drinking water is unavailable here. Main subject word is water. Water is unavailable here. But drinking water, the word drinking is enlargement of the subject. A preposition with its object. The house on the first floor. The house on the first floor belongs to me. Subject word is house. The house belongs to me. But on the first floor is enlargement. On is preposition. A preposition with its object. On the first floor is object of the preposition on. It is enlargement. Number 8. Number 9. A noun. A man unkind to others is not respected here. A man unkind to others. A man unkind to others is subject. Subject word is man. Unkind to others is adjective. Ninth enlargement is an adjective. Man, adjective phrase. This is adjective phrase. Unkind to others is adjective phrase. The ninth number is a noun, an adjective phrase in enlargement in this sentence. Man is a noun and unkind to others is adjective phrase which has enlarged the subject. Is not respected. Thank you very much.